In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can grant Shopify partners access to your Shopify store and obtain a collaborator request code. I'm going to show you both how you can also add some stuff and how you can obtain a collaborator request code. It's very easy. Just make sure you watch this video till the very end. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and like this video if you find this helpful. So we're gonna have to head over here to settings. First, I thought on Shopify the settings are located here, but they are not. That those are settings for your account and other settings, but we need to go here. And then here you're gonna have to go to users and permissions. So go to users and permissions, and then here we have collaborators. So here I can collaborator code. You can see here, share this code to allow someone to send you a collaborator request. You'll still need to review and approve their request. So share this code to allow someone to send you a collaborator request. All right, so that's where you have to go. Now, if you want to add some stuff, you can click on here, add stuff. And then here you're gonna have to enter their name, last name, and then email. They're gonna have to still log in by they can use their email, but it's very easy, and then they'll receive um, this notification, accept staff invitation. So they'll just need to click on accept invite, and then here you also have the option to give permissions. Don't give too many permissions. Also, it shows you that you granted permissions to sensitive permissions that can significantly affect your store. And if you click here, it just shows what are those sensitive permissions. And here we are. And now we can uncheck this, and then this, and then this. Or of course, if you're doing this, you already know the exact permissions, and I'm going to highlight the exact permissions you are giving to that person, to your Shopify, to your store. All right. And then you just need to click on send invite. That's with stuff. But as I said, with collaborator request code, you just need to copy this code and send it to that person. So share this code to allow someone to send you a collaborator request. So yeah, just share this code. And that's pretty much what you're gonna have to do. Also from here, from this dashboard, from here, users and permissions, you can transfer ownership. All right. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.